you for tuning back into NJE Life. Welcome to my kitchen again. Today for dinner, we are having honey butter chicken air fried, and it is featuring all these famous red bag chicken fillets that everybody loves. So we're gonna be using this. This recipe is inspired by the newish recipe at Bob Evans that I just recently tried, and I was like, oh, I have to try to recreate that. So this is already preheated to 400 degrees, and I'm gonna cook 2 fillets for 10 minutes each side. All right. One for me. One for husband. Okay, and so yes, 10 minutes each side. Ten minutes. I did not realize this was resealable. Interesting. Time to flip. While the last 10 minutes are going on the chicken fillets, I'm going to make the honey butter sauce. Just gonna take a small saucepan, and heat it on medium. A half cup of butter. A half cup of honey. A teensy bit of cornstarch. All right, so the air fryer is finished and the chicken fillets are done. I've made some broccoli for a side dish and 2 pieces of toast that I'll put some of the honey butter on. At Bob Evans, this meal comes with biscuits, but I didn't have any. So I thought toast was a good substitution. All right, let's get the honey butter. All right, just drizzle it over the chicken and the toast. If your sauce gets too thickened while you're waiting for the chicken and everything else, you can just heat it up a little bit and it will loosen right up. That's what I just did.
Hope this is good. It was really good at Bob Evans, so you never know. This is actually my first attempt, so.
If it's good, I'll get a video.